41. Self-Sufficiency. Sometimes words translated in our English Bible change their meaning, and we then misunderstand a text. At other times, the translation may not be the clearest. One such text is 1 Timothy 6:6-8. But godliness with contentment is great gain, for we brought nothing into this world, and it is certain we can carry nothing out. And, having food and raiment, let us be therewith content. The usual interpretation of the word contentment contradicts James 2:15-17, where we are told it is wrong to tell someone who is our brother or sister in Christ and is, quote, naked and destitute of daily food, end quote, to be contented and to depart in peace, be ye warmed and filled, with faith only. The word contentment is autarkeia in the Greek. In 2 Corinthians 9:8, it is translated more accurately as sufficiency. Autarkeia comes from autos, self, and archein, to suffice. What Paul is actually saying is that we have godliness together with the necessities of life to make us self-sufficient. We have great gain, that is, the best kind of provision. The word translated as gain is parismos, a providing, a word we see also in 1 Timothy 6:5, where Paul says that some men regard gain or provision as godliness. Thus, what Paul is saying contradicts the false spirituality of some today who want us to despise material things. What Paul holds to be the great provision for life is godliness combined with sufficient material things to live independently in autarkeia, with self-sufficiency. It is this combination of godliness and economic self-sufficiency that we should seek to attain. It's the Christian standard.